Wow! In this tree there is lot of chikus, but it's too high. How will I pluck it up? So I have to make something now. Come, let's go. I am going to use this 2-liter bottle and a mop stick and a lid of another 2-liter bottle to make the tool to pluck this chiku. So we are going to make a hole in this. You can either use a drilling machine or some sharp and we are taking this small net bolt, tight it, okay, and now we are making another hole, because otherwise what will happen is this will tilt. So we are fixing it. Either you can also stick it with Fevicol or Fevikwik, something like that, but I am going to make another hole. Fix it like this. Oh. Can you please catch it like placing on a cutting plier? You can just have this nut and bolt and tighten it. So this will help to change the button. Okay, you can have a couple of buttons and change it. Okay, so now before that, what we have to do is we'll take a knife. Okay, okay, now fix this bottle here. Tool to plug this chiku. Ready, come, let's go. So you got a couple of chikus. Wow, come. Okay. So we got one more. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe.